Hey, J-Bro's popping in there. Yeah, finally got our material for the fence. We've made some pretty good progress here over the last couple half days. The main thing was getting where you see these taller posts at. Those are ones that I just had on hand, and those are what I used to basically square up off the garage, and then to square out my fence basically. So I had those kind of prepped and ready. And then obviously once the 10-footers came, we were able to start setting those. So we've made pretty good progress on that. Just these few here, which should be no big deal. And I kind of wanted to just get some, mass production going. So I'll just show you up down the line. We have a string line set up way over on the other side there. As you can see, super straight. So yeah, basically, and the reason why we did 4 foot on center, if I haven't mentioned that before, is this is not really I would say a traditional fence that somebody does. We're doing decking boards on the back side, and so it should give it a bold look, and then something a little bit thicker than like the fence stuff that's set up there. But I can explain that at a different point. This is just kind of showing you that J-Bros is still alive and moving, and we're working on these posts. So yeah, we're gonna pull the plug today, and I will pop back in tomorrow because we finally got our delivery in for our cap block out to those lake steps. So tomorrow we got some young bucks to carry those block to me, so all I have to do is glue them down and then take a video and show you hopefully how nice that turns out there. So yeah, and then this weekend I'm going down to my mom and brother's lake place, and I'm gonna help them with kind of a deck porch addition, and I'll probably do a little bit bigger walkthrough on that. Maybe some of you guys, as far as like doing additions or coverings or decks out on your park models, that's kind of what setup is out there. But yeah, other than that, mini skid's been dominating as usual. Yeah, really just a quick one from us today. Like I said, I don't know how far I'll get tomorrow, if anywhere tomorrow, because I want to get that cap block done at the lake. So we'll do that, and then if I do get time, we'll probably get these ones set in here. And like I said, I want to get this side up and done. That way this can all get set up and ready to go. And then we still are going to figure out how exactly we're going to go about getting that turf in here. But I think it's just, we'll deal with it later, because I think every one of those we had to cut down like 12-foot sections. But I'm not going to go into too depth here, because I've been just doing a lot of piddly stuff that's not really that entertaining for videos. But yeah, please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bros out.